Okay, I wanted to share with you guys something I've been doing. This isn't exactly the cryptic meditation, but it's something that I found is really cool to immerse myself and connect with nature. So I wanted to share it. Um, okay, so the simple idea here is um, I lay down on the ground and basically um, I invite the healing energy of nature to connect with my body. I just, so the basic idea here is that I'm going with this idea that um, the spirit of Mother Nature is like one type of organism, like the whole. You can think of like the whole forest or the whole earth. Just the consciousness of nature is one thing, and we as humans are part of nature. So, so when I lay down, I imagine that I am like almost like a plant or an appendage of the greater nature, and so I allow myself to become part of nature, um, and in the same way that like your your body is always trying to heal all parts of your body, like your arm is part of your body, your leg is part of your body is just trying to find harmony with all those parts. In the same way, as a human being, I'm imagining that I am one of those parts. I'm like an appendage or whatever you want to think about it symbolically. And so I allow myself to connect and become part of that healing energy that um, so yeah, so that's the basic idea, and I'm just going to show you guys how I do it. I'm just going to really quickly lay down on the ground, and I kind of imagine and just allowing the spirit of nature into me, and just kind of just becoming one with that natural energy. So here we go. Let me, oh, can I change this camera around? Okay, here we go. I'm gonna go lay down here. I'll shuffle around to find a comfortable spot, and then just totally relax and absorb. Okay, so I just got done laying on the ground doing that exercise like I shared, and wow, I feel so like relaxed. It's almost like, yeah, it's almost like talking kind of brings me into this more busy vibration, but it's just like it, it just feels so amazing. I'm just laying on the ground and even know what to say. Like it's like it's like being immersed in this natural energy, and it just slowly sort of relaxing different parts of my body. And yeah, I recommend just finding a good place to try this, and find a good location, good natural location, and try this out. And feel free to comment and see how it goes for you guys. Okay, thank you.